Hello and welcome. This is Variety Organized Records, and I want to give you a short overview of our record system, how it works. If you look at this record system, is well organized, and to help your school get organized record system. Now, this is more than just a template, but you can add whatever suits your entity. All right. Now, if you look here, this is the students database, all right, for semester 1 and 2 for all your students in your school. All right, there is a school record system. Now you look here, there is a class. Now you can choose whatever you want to put here. We consider this to be the very first class. Some call it a nursery or so on. All right, you can put whatever you want there based on your school system. All right, if you go down, you will see that there are a lot of classes. You see here there is kindergarten 1, you have kindergarten 2. You can put whatever you want, but this is the database where you have the student's name, the date of enrollment, the sex, the date of birth, place of birth, contact cell, and so on. All right, now here you can put your school's name here and your school's address here. All right, now if you come here, we have something called here a beginning element to start with. Now if you are now moving to this record system to use it, you use these beginning elements to get all that is needed to be in your record system. Alright, like for example, the cash that you have on hand before beginning with the record system, you put that cash here. Alright, account receivable, amount that people owe you, put that here. Prepay expenditures. Alright, maybe you pay ahead for something. Like for example, maybe your school is renting a building, and then you pay for maybe you pay for 1 year. All right, and then maybe you are charged for $100 per year per month, and then you pay $1,200. All right, to the property's owner, and then you have gone maybe 3 months. That means 9 months distance. So that is prepaid expenditures. So that 9 months, that's something like $900. You put that here. That is a prepaid expenditures. You have not yet consumed it, but you have paid for it. It's an asset. All right. So that's what you see here. Now we have a full tutorial for this in every package, so you don't have to worry. Everything will be explained to you in detail. So that is what we call the beginning element to begin with. Alright, now if you come here, there's another page here that has to do with the registration fees, payment. Alright, semester 1. Okay, now you have elementary division, then you got ABC. Now you can put nursery or whatever your school system has. Alright, you put that here. But this elementary begins with preschool. Everything is included in this elementary. We just categorize it as elementary division. All right, now you can decide what to put there. You can change any of these. Okay, now you have the registration fees here. You have the student's name, the class. Like I said, you can put a class that based on your term, the term that you use, you put that here. All right, that's the very first class here. All right, cost of registration, you put that here. How much registration costs? Maybe you're charging a student for a particular amount, you put that amount here. All right, amount paid, what the student pay right away, perhaps they pay all, you put that here. If they pay some of the registration, then the balance will reflect there automatically. You don't have to write anything in this column. For example, if your registration is 3,000, let me do something here. This page is locked already, so just a moment. see something here quickly. Alright, now let's say the registration is 3,000. Alright, and then that's 3,000. Now, since the student have not yet, you are not yet written anything here, it remains as balance 3,000. But if you put maybe the pay something like 2,500, now you see automatically will do the calculation balance 500. Alright, then you put a date, semester, let's say second payment, final payment. Perhaps you divide that into 3 payment. So that's how this record system is organized. Alright, now if we come to the next page here, we have tuition. Now that was just registration. There is tuition payment. The same thing goes for it. You put the cost of tuition here, and the class, and so on, for everything. The record system explains itself actually. Alright, now you have income is the other fees collection, semester 1. So now you know other fees that you charge a student. Maybe there was certain project that you are undertaking and student were charged to pay certain amount. That amount will be put here, and the purpose for that amount here, and then the rest of it. So there is another page for extra fees. Now if you can see the classes here, all the way to go down. Now if you see down here, you have bundles of things happening down here to every photo of a page. Now there is like 150 students per class, something like that. Now you can where you stop, that's it. Now you look here, you see all the summary of what you did up there. You see it down here. Alright, the places with a 0 you don't have to write here. There are places that you're going to put information and will reflect here. You don't write any information in these places. Alright, it will be done for you automatically. Just go ahead and do what you were doing, that's all, as you can see here. Alright, now we have here the expenditure area. There's just a brief overview. This is the expenditure. Now you can write what you think you have. Alright, there's just an example that we put here, and we feel that schools do this. We have project salary and so on. Alright, so that's the expense area, and then we have what we got, the receivables. That's the next page here. Okay, so see your receivables. Now you can put that here. You got what you expect from other students or donors or others. You can put that here. Alright, and then you have here total expected amount. Great, so that's it. And if you come down here, you can decide, for example, write a percentage below in figure. That has to do an estimate of what you may not get from students or donors. So that estimate, you put that here, it will reflect. Alright, for example, now you're going to write here, not this place. You write here. Let's say, for example, you have 5%. Okay, this page also locked. Let me see something here. Alright. Now, let's say 5%. You may not get 5% of fees from your students. Now, if you put that here, you will see that this percentage will reflect in your document to the particular area that is supposed to reflect. You see here, the 5% appear right here. Now you did it all the way here, and then it appear way here. So that's how this whole system is organized. Alright, so there's just a brief overview. Like I said, there's a whole video tutorial for this, and it will be included in your package. Alright, so we move this from here because it was supposed to be here. Alright, so that's it. We also have something like alright, this one is the payables. That means entities that you're supposed to pay, entities or individual that you're supposed to pay. That's the next page here. Alright, the entity name and so on, everything is there. And then you have your semester 1 report. Alright, you have reports here. Now there are reports, different types of reports here that are going to explain itself. If you look here, this is financial report, semester 1, registration, the tuition and other fees, as you can see here. Alright, now you have the summary down here. You got bank deposit information here. You put everything that you do, it will reflect here. You do right in this place. This is a report area. Let me look at the bank area just to show you something. Okay, this is a bank deposit record. Now it's deposit, withdrawal, loan acquired, interest, repayment, and so on. The one page covers everything. Alright, so the tutorial going to explain that to you. There is the bank record system here. Alright, now you come here. These are financial statement down here. It's slightly different from this one. Now you have our income statement. Alright, that's one of your financial statement. Alright, it's income statement. You have a balance sheet here. Alright, this side documents that may be required if maybe donors want to help you as an entity, or maybe you want to acquire a loan from a bank. Sometimes they require for some of these documents, but they are all generated for you automatically, so you don't have to worry. When it is needed, you just come here and print. That's all. You have your cash flow statement. This is cash flow statement, how money comes in and out of your entity. Alright, that's it. And you have your employee income taxes. Right, there is a tax document here, as you can see here. All these places with zero, you don't have to write anything, unless the places that are open up. Like for here, you put a date. Alright, you got the bottom tax payable as of, you put a one here. Maybe you pay some of the employee taxes and some left, so that amount that is left will be automatically reflected here. So that's it. That's how this record system is organized. And then there is a payroll, right? There is your payroll, so you can put all your employees in here, and then all the rest will be calculated for you and have a balance. So the tutorial will explain that to you even better. So they just a brief overview. That's it. Thank you so much for your time, and you can take advantage of this record system so that you can organize your entire school system, so that everything will be organized for you and reports are generated automatically for you. You don't have to worry about any thing when you use this document. You don't use calculator. As you know, Excel is organized, but there's a full accounting system that is placed in this Excel spreadsheets. So that's it. Thank you for listening, and we'll say bye bye.